Anthropic versus Gemini, which AI assistant is better? Choosing the right AI assistant can completely change how you boost productivity without wasting time on trial and error. We'll compare Anthropic and Gemini to help you decide. Anthropic and Gemini are two leading AI assistants designed to enhance workflows. Anthropic focuses on safe, aligned AI interactions, while Gemini emphasizes powerful multimodal capabilities and integration. Understanding their core difference helps pick the best fit. Anthropic is an AI assistant built with safety and alignment at its core. Developed by a team focused on ethical AI, it uses advanced language models designed to minimize harmful outputs and maintain user trust. It works by processing natural language inputs and generating responses that prioritize clarity and responsibility. Its strength lies in delivering reliable, context-aware answers with built-in guardrails, making it ideal for sensitive or compliance-heavy environments. However, its cautious approach can sometimes limit creativity or flexibility compared to more open-ended models. Anthropic suits professionals and organizations valuing trustworthy AI interactions where safety and control outweigh experimental features. It integrates with existing workflows via APIs, offering tailored solutions without compromising ethical standards. Gemini is a cutting-edge AI assistant developed by Google DeepMind, combining large language models with powerful multimodal inputs like images and audio. It processes complex queries by integrating diverse data types, enabling richer, more interactive responses. Gemini's strengths include seamless integration with Google services and the ability to tackle a wide range of tasks from coding assistance to creative content generation. It is designed for users who need a versatile AI capable of handling diverse workflows and multimedia inputs. However, Gemini's complexity may require more computing resources and can present a steeper learning curve for beginners. It is best suited for tech-savvy users, developers, and enterprises looking for advanced AI capabilities that go beyond text-based interactions, leveraging Google's extensive ecosystem for enhanced productivity. Comparing Anthropic and Gemini reveals clear trade-offs. Anthropic excels in safe, controlled AI use cases, making it perfect for regulated industries or users prioritizing ethical considerations. It delivers consistent, responsible answers but may lack the flexibility for creative tasks. Gemini shines with its multimodal capabilities and deep integration with Google's ecosystem, offering more dynamic interactions and broader use cases. It handles complex multimedia queries better, but demands more technical know-how and resources. For example, a compliance officer would prefer Anthropic's reliability, while a developer or content creator might choose Gemini for its versatility. Ultimately, Anthropic prioritizes safety and alignment, whereas Gemini focuses on innovation and multi-input processing. Choose Anthropic if you need a dependable, ethically aligned AI assistant focused on safety and clarity for professional or sensitive environments. Options on this are Gemini if you want a versatile AI assistant with multimodal support and strong Google integration, ideal for advanced users seeking creative and technical flexibility. Both are excellent, so select based on your priorities for safety or innovation.